everybody, it's me, here, Reviewing217, and I'm giving my best to my brown dog who's just playing in the snow bath because he was really cold and he was probably dirty, so I'm going to use this soap, this disinfectant spray afterwards, this to dry him off, and this to wipe his ears and his nose and everything. So yes, you can see little swirls of the snow that was still stuck on it. So yeah, I'm going to put this open. Johnson Parker Coconut Lime. Ooh. Eee. So I'm going to let this drain a little. I put in some water to rinse them off. Ooh. Okay, so one sec. Roll my sleeve. Okay, so I'm going to squeeze him out. So I'm going to put this down for 1 sec. Well, I try to fix him. So yeah, he's all nice and warm and smells good. Just have to squeeze him out. So yeah, here's the towel. I'm going to put that down, put them in there, and then wrap them up. Yeah, so this is him. He's so cute in this. Yeah. Whee! So he's just a little damp. So yeah, I'm gonna lay this one out, and then I'm going to take a paper towel and wipe his ears off. And then his nose. I have to throw that one away. Okay. Just to let you all know, pumpkins don't get moldy when you give them, when you get them wet, so yeah. So yeah, 1 sec. So I'm going to spray him with the disinfectant spray because I don't want to, because my mom got sick and because we all played out in the snow and it's complicated. So now she has a cold and we don't want to bring in any more sickness. So I'm going to spray him. So thanks for watching and please subscribe. Bye!